What up, Fantacular fan? I'm back with another video. Today I'm doing a taste test vlog for the Arby's King Hawaiian BBQ chicken slider taste test. Let me let y'all see how it look before I get started. This is the Hawaiian bun. I've been waiting on the Hawaiian bun to come back, and then it came back with the sliders. As you can see, I got two on for me to try out. You know what I mean? Got to give it a good try. You about to get into it. I've been waiting on this bun to come back for a long time, but then it came back as a slider and not a big burger like it used to be. You know what I mean? So just to take it out for y'all to see. This is a chicken tender with barbecue sauce on the slider bun. I think that barbecue sauce tastes good. It really tastes good. I think I can do that. I can dig it. Tastes pretty good. Tastes real good. This is something I'll be eating on a regular basis at Arby's now. So I'm enjoying our Wawa strawberry smoothie inside Arby's, eating the Arby's King's Hawaiian barbecue chicken slider. I just found my next favorite meal in Arby's because of the Hawaiian bun. So for screenshot, in my last Sunday of the month of August shout out video, y'all tell me, would y'all try the King's Hawaiian barbecue chicken slider? Will y'all try it? Let me know in the comments and I'll give you a shout out in my last Sunday of August shout out video. Also for a thumbnail, so if you like this vlog, remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share this vlog.